Air Beach.
That's it now. I can see you now.
Sharon's sister.
Is that Sharon's wee sister?
Aye.
There's her.
That's a lovely balloon. Ah, that's beautiful. What's its name?
Boon.
Balloon.
Aye.
Boon or balloon?
Boon.
Boon. What's your dad's name? Can you remember your dad's name?
Aye.
What is it? Maggie. Daddy. Is that what you call him, Daddy? Hmm? Who's your favourite, your daddy or your mummy?
Mummy.
Your mummy? Do you
Aye.
not like your daddy?
Aye.
Who's your favourite, your mummy or Chips? Chips?
Aye.
Who's your favourite, your mummy or the dog?
A dog.
The dog.
Aye.
So you like the dog better?
Aye.
Who do you like better, your daddy or Chips?
Yes.
Chips?
Aye.
Who do you like better, your mummy or your balloon?
My boon.
Your balloon. Shows your balloon?
Aye.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's got a nose. It's going to eat its head off.
Right.
Ooh. Alright then.
Isn't it lovely? Did you get that on the camera?
Your boon will bust. Say bye bye.
And they didn't look at me about it, but they didn't look. They go to them. I want them to